Okay, guys. You know how I was saying that the hurricane was about to come? I'm gonna show you guys this. It's raining outside. The hurricane is here, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna show you what A60 sounds like, and this is how strong this wind is. So I'm gonna make some A60 noises, and wait, I'm gonna start right now. And I'm gonna get closer to the air. And when you shoot it close to you, like. But yeah, the hurricane is so strong, and it's a tropical storm. I just heard thunder. I heard thunder, guys. I know you can't see anything because I'm on my. The power went out. The power went out. Okay, it did go out, but guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. Then okay, so this is my bed. Here's my blanket, and I'll show you myself again. So yeah, here I am. I know, guys. So it's a tropical storm that just hit this region. It was spinning yesterday. Right now it just hit Los Angeles. And yeah, it's gonna be real bad because I don't know if the power's gonna go out, but yeah. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's my furry pumpkin. I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. There he is. I'll try to find Emmy. He has that one, but it's like a mini one. I'll show you. Wait. Okay. So guys. So I was saying, guys, I couldn't find Emmy's pumpkin, but he has it in his bed. Emmy's, and then and that's basically mine. It looks like that, but it's like a mini version. So yeah, guys, and I'm about to show you how strong this wind is. Do you guys hear that? And I bet outside it's even stronger. Like I'll try to show you. It's all wet and stuff. And it's like literally so much. It's like, bye guys. Gonna just end the video here because I don't want this to stop. So yeah, we're gonna end here. Bye guys.